Hey everyone, how's it going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Loom videos. So without any further delay, let's get into it. I have already opened up a Loom video that we are going to download in this video. Now just copy the link to this video from right here and open a new tab. Now type Loom Video Downloader and search. Leave the first one because it is sponsored and click on second one. Also, I'm going to add the link of this website in the description. You can check it out and paste the link here and click on Downloader. Now click on HD MP4. As you can see, download has been started. I will update you once it's done. So guys, download has been completed. Let me play the video. That's how you can download Loom videos. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you want to know how to add blur in the background on CapCut, then watch this video.